Hi, I'm Anna and I'm going to teach you how to transform your spreadsheet into a Mapify map. Our Excel spreadsheet contains New York City's subway station entrance locations. Your file should have columns for your longitude and latitude of the points you want to represent on the map. To import an Excel spreadsheet or a Google Sheet to Mapify, you need to save your file as a CSV. Now, let's head to Mapify's Datasets tab and choose Create New Dataset. Then, select CSV as the source type. Adjust the cell delimiter to match your file, in this case, semicolon. Confirm that the latitude and longitude columns are correctly identified. Choose the appropriate coordinate system, upload your CSV, and assign a name to your dataset. Your dataset will take a moment to process. Once it's ready, ensure that all fields of your sheet are set up correctly. You can mark a field as unique by checking this box. Next, we have to go to the Layers tab. Name your new layer. Considering our dataset is small, we will select the GeoJSON type layer for higher accuracy. Associate it with the dataset you just created and save your layer. Note that before you can preview your data rendered on the map, you'll need to publish the layer. Once the layer finishes publishing, you can preview your map. Here, we see the data points which represent the New York City subway station entrances. Clicking on any point provides detailed information from the original spreadsheet data. To add a personal touch, customize your layer style. Once satisfied, save your changes and your Mapify map is ready to go.